Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code for Basic. I am Amin. Today we'll see how to install multiple node versions in a single machine. There will be a situation where we need to run multiple projects which runs on different node versions. It will be difficult to install and uninstall different node packages. So switching between different node versions can be achieved by using a tool called NVM installer. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. I'll just go to the CMD and I'll show you the node version which is running in my system now. Just type this command to check the version. As you can see, it's 16.13.2. Now we'll go to the browser and we'll install NVM. Just type NVM space Windows and the first links and just click on the first link. This is a GitHub repository. Just go down. There will be a link called download now. Click on this link. It will redirect to another page and just scroll down and we can see there are multiple files, but we need a NVM setup file. Just click on this and it will get automatically downloaded. As I've downloaded before, I will not unzip it. I'll just go to my downloads folder. I've already unzipped. I'll just go inside that folder. Here there is a setup file and just I need to install it. Double click. Yes, I have agreed. Next, next. Just click on next, next, next. Install. Yeah. Here you can see a pop-up. It's telling that already I have installed Node. So this pop-up is coming. I'll click on yes. Okay. Yeah, the setup is installed. Finish. I'll close the browser and the file. Yeah. Now just type the command nvm enter. Yeah. Now you can see that our nvm has installed. Now just we have to type as to check the nvm list nvm space list. If you type this command, it will show the number of versions present in our system. There are actually two versions. Now I will install new version. To install a new version, just type nvm space install and type version. Which version you need? I will install 14.18.13. Enter. As you can see, it is getting downloaded. It will take almost 1 minute. We have to wait till then. Along with the version, the npm also gets installed. Downloaded and it get installed. We'll just wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, as you can see, the installation has been completed. Now if I type the command again, nvm list, we can see there is one more version, that is 14.18.3. To use this version, I have to just type the command nvm use and the version name 14.18.3. Enter. Yeah, see, we can see here it is telling access denied because we need to open the CMD in the administrator mode. Run as administrator. Yes. Okay, I'll just type nvm list again. Okay, I'll type the command to use the nvm use and the version 14.18.3. Enter. Now see, there is a message called now using node version 14.18.3. Now if I check my node version, node -v, we can see that the currently running version is 14.18.3. And in this way you can achieve the multiple version installation in your single machine. And that's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.